Think you need thousands to start an online business? In 2025, that's a myth. You can build and run a high-quality digital business without spending a single cent. And today, I'll show you exactly how. In this video, you'll discover the top free tools that let you plan, create, design, market, and sell like a pro without any upfront costs. This isn't theory. It's a practical, step-by-step system you can start using today, even if you have no money, no followers, and no experience. Ready to launch your business without the budget? Let's start in. Tool 1. The foundation of your business starts with organization, writing, and planning. That's where Google Workspace comes in. Most people already use Gmail or Google Drive casually, but you can run your entire business operations from it if you know what you're doing. Start with Google Docs. This will be your home base for writing anything: product descriptions, blog posts, email copy, sales pages, even course scripts. You can organize documents into folders by project, share them for feedback, and access them from any device. If you're working on a digital course about productivity, for example, you can use Docs to outline the modules, draft lesson content, and even collaborate with a proofreader. The commenting feature helps you leave notes for yourself if you're reviewing your own work over time. Google Sheets is more powerful than most people realize. You can use it as a customer tracker, content calendar, launch planner, revenue tracker, or even as a lightweight CRM. Let's say you're creating templates to sell online. Use Sheets to keep track of which templates you finished, which ones need visuals, which platforms you've shared them on, and what your download numbers are looking like. You can even create basic charts that help you spot what's working and what isn't. Google Forms is another underrated tool. You can use it to collect feedback, applications, or surveys. If you're building an audience and want to learn what they struggle with, create a short form and ask them directly. This way, you're building products based on actual needs instead of guessing. Google Calendar lets you schedule your content releases, organize your week by work blocks, and set alerts for launches. You can also share calendars with collaborators or clients if you're doing freelance work on the side. You get a lot of power in one place, and most of it is completely free. Now that you have your planning tools in place, it's time to write better and faster. Tool 2. ChatGPT. Free can completely change the way you write. This tool helps you create content without staring at a blank screen for hours. You can ask it to write social media captions, rewrite headlines, simplify complex ideas, and even brainstorm product titles. For example, if you're building a PDF guide on how to create a home workout routine, ChatGPT can give you an outline, a sample intro, and even calls to action. You're not copying and pasting everything it says. You're using it to speed up the thinking process and keep your ideas flowing. A clever way to use ChatGPT is for customer support templates. If you're selling something and someone asks for a refund, delay, or explanation, you can ask ChatGPT to draft a professional but friendly reply. That saves time, keeps your tone consistent, and reduces the emotional drain of writing support emails. You can also use it to help you practice explaining your ideas more clearly. If you're working on a landing page and your message feels too long or too complicated, ask ChatGPT to rewrite it at an 8th grade reading level. This helps make sure anyone who visits your page understands the value fast. Tool 3. Once you have your copy and message ready, you need a way to make it look good. That's where Canva comes in. This is your visual design studio, and it doesn't ask for a degree in graphic design. Whether you're designing a lead magnet, a course slide, an ebook cover, or a digital planner layout, Canva gives you templates that are already optimized for visual balance and modern design. Use Canva's brand kit features to upload your logo, pick brand colors, and save your fonts. This way, your content looks consistent, even across different types of media. Let's say you're launching a Notion template business. You can use Canva to create clean product thumbnails for Gumroad, instruction sheets for buyers, promotional stories for Instagram, and email graphics for MailerLite. It all fits together, and you control the look. Another smart Canva tip is to use their presentation templates to create slide decks. If you ever want to host a free webinar or record a video course, those templates save time and give your course a polished feel. You can export them as PDFs or MP4s, depending on how you're delivering the content. Now that your offer looks sharp, you need a place to sell it. Tool 4. Gumroad allows you to host digital products like guides, printables, templates, mini courses, or even music and videos. You create a product listing, upload the file, set a price, and share the link. Gumroad handles everything else: checkout, file delivery, taxes, and basic analytics. No coding needed. You can also use Gumroad to test interest before you build something bigger. Maybe you want to make a full online course on painting, but you're not sure if it'll sell. Try uploading a small ebook or a video tutorial as a low-ticket product or even for free. If it gets downloads or positive comments, you've got proof that there's interest. You didn't waste time or money guessing. Another clever feature in Gumroad is pay what you want pricing. You can let people choose to pay $0 or offer a donation. This helps you grow your email list while still giving people the chance to support you. It's low pressure for them and flexible for you. Now let's talk about how to keep that audience engaged. Tool 5. MailerLite gives you email email marketing that doesn't feel overwhelming. With up to 1,000 subscribers and full access to basic automations and templates, you can start building a real connection with your audience. Start by creating a simple welcome sequence. When someone signs up for your free resource, they get a warm email that introduces who you are and how you can help. Later, you can follow up with short tips, quick stories, or small offers. If you're selling a digital planner, maybe the second email shares a behind-the-scenes look at how you made it, and the third one gives a coupon to try it. These small touch points keep you in your audience's mind without being annoying. MailerLite also lets you segment your audience. So if you're running 2 different product lines, like one for teachers and one for students, you can make sure they each get emails that match their interests. That way, no one gets confused or overwhelmed, and you're giving each person what they need. Tool 6. Koji is a tool that lets you create a single page with links, downloads, offers, or tip jars. Most people use it as a link in bio, but it can actually serve as a lightweight storefront and landing page all in one. If you're on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, you need a single link that shows people what you do and where they can go. Koji lets you feature your Gumroad products, your MailerLite sign-up form, your free guide, your coaching calendar, or even your latest videos. It looks good, loads fast, and gives you analytics to see which links get clicked most. The best part is you don't need a full website to get started. You can use Koji as your home base until you're ready for a more complex site. Many creators use Koji long-term because it's easy to update and works across devices. Tool 7. Notion is one of the most flexible free platforms out there for solo business owners. You can use it to create project dashboards, product trackers, customer databases, standard operating procedures, and even public-facing pages. It's like Google Docs, Sheets, and Trello rolled into one. If you're managing multiple offers, like a lead magnet, a mini course, and a content calendar, Notion lets you bring them all into one workspace. You can use checklists, calendars, Kanban boards, or even databases to stay organized. For example, let's say you're creating 3 lead magnets. Use Notion to keep track of what stage each one is in: idea, draft, design, upload, and promote. It's simple but powerful. Notion also lets you publish public pages, which means you can use it as a lightweight website. Let's say you don't want to pay for hosting or deal with building a full site. You can create a page in Notion with your bio, links to your products, testimonials, and email sign-up, then just hit publish. You get a clean, distraction-free site that works on mobile and desktop. Some people even sell Notion templates themselves. You can create a productivity dashboard, upload it to Gumroad, and market it as a ready-to-use planner. Notion gives you more than enough to run all this smoothly, and it scales well as you grow. Now let's build out a full example to see how everything connects. Say you want to start a small digital business selling productivity templates for students. First, use Google Docs to write out your ideas and Google Sheets to track progress. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm template names and write the product descriptions. Use Canva to design each planner, calendar, or checklist and make sure each one looks polished. Upload them to Gumroad with short descriptions and your branding. Set up a MailerLite form that offers one free template in exchange for an email address. Add that form to your Koji page, along with your Gumroad links and a short intro about what you offer. Use Notion to manage your schedule, track projects, and draft your next product or course. You now have a full system. You're collecting leads, delivering value, tracking progress, and offering paid products. Every tool is free. Every step is functional. And none of it depends on a large team or a big investment. You don't need to know everything before you start. You just need to take action consistently. If you use these tools together every week, even for just a little bit each day, you'll have more progress in a month than most people have in a year of planning. Which of these tools have you tried before? Are there any tools that you would recommend? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.